Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. MS Word Picture Insert. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture in MS Word. So the first thing you need to do is open up your MS Word. Once you're here, you will see this. Choose the insert. After choosing the insert, click on Pictures. After clicking on Pictures, click on this device. If you have any pictures on this device, or on this your PC, you have any pictures that you want to attach here, just click on this one and choose which one. You can choose any of there, but now I'm gonna choose this one right here and click insert. There you go, it pastes it right there, and you can do it again if you like. There you go, then choose one right here. There we go. So there you go, that's how you insert a picture in Microsoft Word. And a little bit of a, what do you call this, a bit of um a little bit more. Click on insert, then click on pictures. After click on picture, click on, you can also click on stock image. So your image here would be right here in the, there we go, in the stock image. So there's a stock image. If you want any of this, you can choose this one and insert. There you go. And you can also insert more. Not only that, you can also choose online pictures. So what you mean by online pictures? You can choose any of this one here, and the online pictures. There you go. So ice cream insert. There you go. And uh, you can also insert a picture in MS Word by dragging it. For example, the file. So let's try File Explorer. Go here. Um. Uh. Go here, pictures. Then there you go. Find the one that you want and just drag it. There you go. And you can also copy paste it. Just Control C, then Control V. There you go. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys: if you're in Google, if you want to find something, for example, in Google or an image in Google, you can just do what I did: just copy paste it and just paste it. I'm gonna show you guys. It's a quick tip. Sorry, Google, copy it, right, then paste. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.